Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to delete your Botim account directly from your phone. First, open the Botim app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon. Please note, in recent updates, the Direct Delete Account button has been removed from the app. Instead, tap on Contact Us or a similar support option. Type in Delete My Account and send the message. You'll receive an automated reply containing the customer service email address. Copy this email. Finally, send the email. Wait for a response from their support team and follow any instructions they provide to complete the account deletion process. Now, open your email, AB, Gmail, or any other and compose a new message. Paste the copied address into the To field. That's how you can request the removal of your Botim account through customer support. For the subject, you can write something like Account Deletion Request. In the body of the email, clearly state that you want to delete your Botim account. Include relevant details like your registered email or username, and you can attach a screenshot if needed.